When it comes to the crypto market, it needs lightning fast, efficiency, and ready to go. And that's what Lightning Bolt is all about. The most advanced algorithmic trading bot for simple user interface on Telegram. That's right. So it does have less downtime, approachable devs, secure contract, which is really good with the transactions in mind, and great performance. You definitely want great performance as well. Now, Lightning Bolt has 5 revenue streams, starting with 80% fees from the Lightning Bolt and 10% fees from the 5% token tax. All right. And if I go look at the actually Dextools, its market cap is over $1.12 million market cap. Liquidity is locked for 5 months and making this look safe and secure. It's not that many in supply, so 100 million supply and a little bit over 1,100 holders inside the ecosystem here. Take a look at Etherscan. It's showing me very similar information. 7% only left in the Uniswap pool that I'm seeing here right now. And looking at some of these wallets, it looks really, really good here. So this is something to take a look at. Lightning fast, yes, that's right. Now, Lightning Bolt does have a competitor sheet here, okay? You may know about Unibot is over $120 million market cap, and actually a little bit higher than that, but Lightning Bolt stacks up very well. And one of the best features that I see here is the revenue sharing to holders. 80% to holders, that's Lightning Bolt, but Unibot is only 40% to holders. So that's something to really take into account when you're doing your research and looking at Lightning Bolt and the competitors here. One other thing that I like is the self-hosting bot here. This is really good for new people coming in. So it does have that. So Lightning Bolt is something to really be on the lookout for. So partnerships in their mind with Sniff and also with Base. Now with Base, it is part of their revenue stream. When I go back over here, Base fees from bets using Lightning Bolt, and then also sniffer profit from the sniping whale wallets. And it's really good because they already got the partnerships with them, so they added them inside their revenue stream, which is extremely smart here. This is a very undervalued project, just looking at some of the things that it has. And one thing I would say is these 4 things here makes it undervalued, and here 80% fees from the Lightning Bolt. That makes this undervalued because it's only sitting under, well, $1.12 million market cap. That's all it is. It's already on CoinGecko and it's already on CoinMarketCap, so it's already getting some traction from them as well. This looks like it'd be something to look at in terms of long term as well. A little bit over 1,858 subscribers inside Telegram, but this is just a portal. It's actually more people inside the Telegram of Lightning. And one of my favorite things about when researching the project, look through the white paper. The white paper breaks everything down inside a project. And how does Lightning Bolt works? With the help of Lightning Bolt, you can do research and communicate with any liquidity pool on, check this out, Ethereum, Binance Chain, and Arbitrum using Telegram. And look at this, Lightning Bolt will automatically get the largest liquidity pool for the coin you are parsing as soon as you paste a contract. Remember, it goes back over here, secure contract is there, less downtime, the most advanced algorithmic trading bot for simple users. Interface, you definitely want to do this as well because the Lightning is coming, ladies and gentlemen. Check out Lightning Bolt. And a couple of things I will tell you about this is, look at this, is right here, I want to say validators, and look at this, trading competition, giveaways, and airdrops. You definitely want to stay up and hopping with Lightning Bolt. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Take a look at this, liquidity lock for 5 months. The team is working really hard, very smart team to be able to put something like this already. And how fast do you want to go? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.